ヨーロッパ最低評価の鉄道に乗るというこの男性。
423. First impressions, I've seen a bit better. We've got a bit of graffiti over here. Looks a bit old, but not too bad. The toilet. Do I even want to look at this? Oh god, that doesn't look great. Someone's even screwed the toilet seat down. Just having a look in this toilet and look what it says on the back. Yeah. Sorry about that. How are you? Good one. Yeah, how are you? You need passport. Thank you so much. Custom. Auto.
その後仲良くなり
Andre, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah.
無事に降車できたようです。
What a friend. Have a good one and I'll see you soon.